'cause space,
So today I woke up and decided that I wanted to do something that I don't usually do, and that was to use lash glue. I mean, what? Lace glue. Now y'all know me, I don't like lace glue. I like to actually use hairspray. Me and Gotta Be Glue holding spray, we've been going real strong. We have a great relationship, super healthy one, and I like it. But you know, I want to just switch things up a little bit. So today we're using glue. Please come out good because I haven't done it in a while, and to be honest, I hate the mess and the cleanup that comes with glue. I'm gonna be working with a company called Ronniehair. First things first is we're going to get into the lace because the lace is supposed to be on and popping. I am so here for these you know, there's a whole lace shortage, but yeah, y'all still coming up with like cool ways to like make the lace melt into our skin. I'm here for it. Today we're working with a Swiss lace. If you're not familiar with lace, Swiss lace is soft, stretchy, thin. The grids on the lace should be smaller. So the little screen door boxes that you see in your lace, you shouldn't be able to see that with the Swiss lace. As usual, you should be very careful with your lace, especially Swiss lace, because it will rip and tear if you pluck it too much or if you just do too much damn manipulating to it. So be gentle and be calm. You know, I don't ever have a theme or an idea of where I'm going with this wig. I just know I'm about to kill it. I always show you guys the wig because you guys need to know how it looks so that if you are ordering, you make sure your wig looks just like this. So I am going to show, ooh, not as bleached. Okay. Bombastic. We love it. It is blending in with the skin and I'm super here for it. I just want to show my nails, honestly. Get into it. And then they gave me a middle part, but I think I might switch it up a little bit. I don't think I'm gonna do a middle part, but this part looks really good. Oh, another important thing, this wig has the fake scalp method on it, but the fake scalp eliminates the use of having to use makeup on your wig, especially if you cannot find the right color and you don't want your scalp to be bright orange or bright red. But it eliminates the use of using a ball cap method because, to be honest, I hate using it. So at the same time, if I don't have to use the ball cap method, baby, I mean, even if I still don't use it because I just don't like it. My point is it eliminates the use of the ball cap method. So I have my fresh braids, as you guys can see. I always try to tell you guys because, you know, when you're using glues and hairsprays, your hair is getting dry under the wig. The lace is rubbing against your hairline, and so with the fake scalp method, it definitely prevents, you know, the lace from rubbing against your edges. So I always recommend oiling your scalp. I'm gonna be using the Wild Growth, which is pretty much almost finished. It has a really strong smell, so if you like it, you like it. If you don't, you don't, but it definitely does grow your hair. So I've just been trying to grow my edges after my dumb ass permed it. I have it in a nice ponytail. All right, go ahead and cut the lace out of the back of the wig. There's also a headband in this wig, so that makes life so much easier, baby. So the fake scalp is supposed to also eliminate having to do braids, but I have to kind of do braids just because I don't want to have a ponytail underneath. Okay, the hair is nice and soft. I'm feeling it. I'm digging it. As usual, I have to pluck the hair because I have to pluck the hairline. I just like my hairline to look more natural, but if you guys can see, it does blend very well with the skin. I'm going to go ahead and pluck this off camera, so I'll be back. So I have my hot comb all heated up already, so I'm gonna go ahead and just hot comb the front back. What I do hate though is I can see fake scalp. I know you guys can see it too, but I can fix that. I showed you guys in a couple of videos how to fix it, so I'll show you guys again in this video. We're gonna do a couple of lace close-ups. So this is how the lace looks up close. You can see this is it, or not even glue done, I should say. I want to show you guys a little comparison in case you guys are like, you know, you don't really notice the difference, but the lace, and this is this lace. So these squares are more finer than this one. Now this is a transparent lace. So again, we have the Swiss right here, and then we have the transparent. But you can see the grids are a little bit different. Alright, so I'm going to be using Bold Hold Extreme Cream Lace Glue. I hate glue, guys. I'm going to keep saying it, but I'm going to still do it. But I don't really like glue, but sometimes I do like the way glue comes out. Like, like how it looks versus the hairspray, but I personally just don't like the process of glue. Like, bro, it should not have taken me this long to do what I just did. But I feel like with glue, you're able to really get that baby hair, no baby hair look. So that's the only real pro for me. But so it's really invisible and undetectable. I am so here for it. And it should blend in with all skin tones. As of now, I'm loving the way this lace looks. Besides the little crusty, which I'll fix afterwards. Woo! This took forever, okay? Forever. Gosh, this took me a long time. It's 5 o'clock and I started at like 4 just doing the hairline. It's a little crusty over here, but we'll fix that. What I want to do now, so the lace is actually, it melted pretty nice into my skin, but let me go ahead and hot comb this hair going back. Hot comb is nice and hot. Ooh, it's about to burn some skin. Be very, very, very careful. Be very careful when you're doing this. You don't want to burn yourself.
Ryan Little.
Yoga.
So my hair is slayed and laid and I'm loving it. Okay, I'm so ghetto. But I really love my hair. It just looks so cute. Because the hair is just nice and full on its own and curly. They sent it to me. They sent me this hair curly and I'm like, guys, I gotta change my shirt because you can't see the hair, okay? But this hair looks amazing, okay? Amazeballs. I love it. Ugh, this is so beautiful. And I only trimmed a small amount. Like, I'm about to take my shirt off so y'all can see my hair. Alright guys, let's take a moment to appreciate the lace, the hair, the curls. Everything is just so freaking sexy. I love this wig. Ah! I'm so annoying. But I want to show you guys the hairline up close. Look at that. That's magnificent. The part is super clear. Like, you can see they bleached that so well. Right here you might see a little bit of glue, so ignore that. But you can see the stocking cap hair a little bit, so I did kind of pull some hair out. I kind of pulled some hair out, and then I also kind of colored it a little bit brown so that you couldn't really see it so bad. But so the video is over. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I did, and I really had a great time showing you guys the different kind of laces. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching, and go get you a Swiss lace, honey.